Run a cooking class business. If you love to cook and you are actually pretty good at it, there are two kinds of businesses that you can probably be successful in relevant to cooking. The first business is the restaurant business. By opening a restaurant, you can easily clean up by cooking up a storm and feeding your customers those delicious meals you normally whip up at home. And the way people react to good food will only help your efforts should you really excel at it. On the other hand, the other business option for you when it comes to cooking is teaching people how to cook. Yes, opening up a cooking studio or business wherein you offer hands-on classes to those people wanting to become better in the kitchen can be quite profitable and very rewarding. If the second option is something that you may be interested in, here are some things you should know on how to start and run your culinary arts class business. Find a location. Alright, this will depend on how many people you will want to accommodate for your classes. Technically, if you are starting out, you may want to save a little money on rent by holding the classes in your home. Of course, this will limit you to about 4 to 8 people depending on the size of your kitchen. Now, if you think that you can handle more people and teach more classes, then, by all means, find a place that you can rent that can handle the volume of enrollees you will be expecting. Decide on the classes you will offer. Normally, cooking classes are offered in spurts. Most cooking classes entail a 2 to 3 week course with daily 1 to 2 hour sessions. In addition, cooking classes should be offered at various levels. For instance, you should have a beginner class, an intermediate class, and an advanced class. Now, if you are starting out, it would be wise to start with beginner classes. Once you get a steady stream of enrollees, you can set up more advanced classes. Aside from the courses you will set up, you will want to select genres to offer. For instance, if you are an expert in Italian dishes, then offer Italian cooking classes. If you love to bake, then teach people the fine art of baking. Whatever is the case, focus on your core strengths and offer that. If you are well versed in a variety of culinary cultures, then the knowledge you have can make your business flourish instantly since you can offer a variety of genres in your courses from general cooking to specialized and cultural cuisines. Be prepared. This is where your business will need capital, a lot of it, depending on how big you want to start. Basically, cooking classes are designed to teach people how to cook in the practical manner. Yes, theoretical learning can only go so far. Hence, in order to teach them how to cook hands-on, you will need to invest in supplies such as utensils, pots, pans, dishes, glasses, bowls, and the like. Furthermore, you may need to invest in cooking equipment such as ovens, stoves, blenders, food processors, and the like. Don't worry, though. You can always cover these expenses by charging a supply fee to your students. Finally, the success of your culinary arts class business will boil down to marketing. The best way to start marketing will be to concentrate in the near vicinity of your location. Invest in banners, posters, and flyers. Focus on getting the housewives to look into your classes by going door to door. If necessary, try to get more buzz through the internet by posting ads on Craigslist and sending tweets and status updates on Twitter and Facebook.